Greetings, everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome to this Season 6 premiere episode of the Hired Geek Podcast. Another short episode to kick off this new season, as I like to do, share a couple of personal updates and just kind of level set for what is to come for this calendar year, this season of the podcast. So I'm already underway getting recordings done, interviews completed for this season. Super excited to keep exploring all the nuances and complexities and just different aspects of the higher ed world and focusing on the technology that helps power innovation and great student outcomes and impacts on the higher ed ecosystem at large. So the plan is for this year to continue with posting, for the most part, every other week, some bonus episodes sprinkled throughout. I will be planning to take another summer break this year. That was super helpful for me to kind of keep the momentum and energy going, and also ending a little bit early for a winter break around Thanksgiving. So that feels like a pretty kind of sustainable pace, 30 or so episodes posted throughout the year and covering, there's a lot of different stuff. Looking forward to, fingers crossed, being able to record this year live at South by Southwest EDU. So I was hoping to do that 2 years ago before things shut down. And while the world is still in a weird place now, all this time later, I'm hoping that by March, things will be in a good place and be able to see folks in Austin. So hoping that gets underway. And obviously I'll share the audio here on the podcast as well for folks who are not able to attend. But otherwise, this year, I do hope for it to be exciting as things hopefully continue to return more to normal after this long winter, through having our child finally go to daycare, settling into our house, my wife getting back to work, and just more cool, exciting projects, hopefully, through the podcast and the blog, and continuing to do some writing projects. So the next episode, the premiere episode, the first actual interview, will be released next week on the 19th, and then we'll be kind of cascading from there with all new episodes of the podcast. So thank you so much, as always, for your support, for folks getting stuff from the merch store. It's super helpful, and just sharing out on social media what you're enjoying from any of the episodes of the show. Just always great to hear from folks. So thanks again for listening to this episode. Excited for the kickoff of season 6 next week on the 19th. Check it out. Listen to any previous episodes in the library if you haven't already. And that'll do it for this quick episode of the Hired Geek Podcast. And hope you all are staying safe, and happy 2022.